बनाया और हुआ क्या, he lost the link। और मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि मैंने उससे मांगा था कि आपने इतना अच्छा बनाया, मुझे लिंक भेज दो। तो मैं अपने दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स को भी दिखा रही थी, देखो एक बहुत ही अच्छे स्टूडेंट ने बनाया है ये।
Thank you, Shannon.
This emoji for you. You're super cool. Okay.
Even you like emoji. What I do is whenever I get like emoji pillows, I just stick it on my wall.
I love emojis. Okay. So you are super cool. Okay.
Brilliant idea, Anu. For all the hard work which you've done, no, that's the idea just came out of your mind just like that, and you implemented it correctly. I'm going to give a big clap for it.
That was a nice presentation, and I will give you all the other points also, and something that you deserve today, Kevin. What I should give you today? On this presentation.